What do you do when raccoons try to break into your garage? Well, you can't do much, but after they leave, I noticed that I have to change the garage door seals on both garage doors on both sides, so 4 seals. You can see here they ripped the metal flashing here with the garage door seal halfway up the door. They took this, there's about 7 screws that came right out of the wood. And look how far they pulled on this. They chewed on the rubber door seal on all 4 sides. Here's the other side. Lots of damage just from that. And this was just a few months ago. It was my fault. I left the garage door open the night before and they came in. This one isn't too bad, but they did chew up the rubber seal here. And they came in and had garbage. And then the next few nights, the door was closed and they tried to break in, of course, and you can still see their paw prints here on the metal. But yeah, this is going to cost me about $150 to fix, so not overly happy about it. I managed to find some new garage door seals. I bought 4 of them, 1 for each side. That's 4. I found these at Home Depot. They're not cheap, so let's get fixing these garage door seals on the garage doors. So yeah, winter is coming, and cold wind, snow will be blowing in where those rubber seals were chewed out, and we need to seal this off before winter, right? It's already late fall, it should be already sealed off, but I didn't have time to do it. And the sun is blaring in here. It's only 9 degrees Celsius out here, so we don't have much time left. The old man winter's nearly here, and I got to take advantage of this warm, sunny day. It's not that warm, but the sun is warm. The first thing I'm doing is taking all these small Robinson head screws out of the metal that screws into the wooden frame. So now I'm going to take a sharp knife, and where this caulking is, we're going to separate it from the metal. We'll have to clean it up better after. It's pretty much coming right apart now. There we go, we have the metal off, and we have this caulking on here. All this caulking has to be removed because you can't re-caulk over that. It won't stick. So I'll scrape off what I can without damaging the metal, and I'll clean it off. I'll figure out a way to clean this off better, and I'll share that with you. We'll have to use some kind of cleaner. Plus the metal's bent here from the raccoon, from bending it back. It's got a crease there. We'll just tap it out until we can get as flat as we can so we can reuse this metal. Next, we're going to have to remove these garage door seal screws that screw into the frame. Just got about, I don't know, we got about 8 screws to remove. There we have our old garage door seal removed. Again, you can see the damage they did to it. Look at that. Take chunks right out of it, scratching this part here. They are powerful. Okay, we're going to clean up all that rubber seal, and we can put our new garage door seal on. Okay, the caulking on this side was much easier to remove. I just grabbed it like an elastic band, and it came off all in one piece. I'll still wipe this metal down and make sure it's clean. And you can see this whole piece, like 8 feet of it came off in one piece. The caulking on this side was different because I had done it before, replaced that garage seal. So it's gonna be a little more to clean that up, and I'll let you know what I use to clean it off, but it's coming off pretty good. I scraped it right down. We'll get that cleaned up, no problem. So we'll just do one door at a time here. We'll put our new garage door seals on. We'll put our straightened out metal back on, and we'll recaulk it, and that'll be it. And then I'll have to go do the other door, but I won't bother showing it on this video. But yeah, it's not that big of a job. It's the roughest part is going to be cleaning off any of that caulking that was previously there. So what I'm using is isopropyl alcohol. You can get this from your drugstore, Walmart, whatever. And I'm using a rag. And I tested it out and it works really well. So what I'm doing here is I'm soaking it all with any residue that's left. You get the bulk of it off. I'm soaking it all with this alcohol. And then I'm just going to take my thumbnail, and just scrape, because it's coming off pretty good now, because the alcohol kind of softens it up. And it works really well, actually. It's quick enough. Then just give it a wipe. All right, we got our new garage door seal measured, cut, and kind of in place. So I measured it from the top to the bottom, 83 inches, and I cut it. I marked a line, cut it with a hacksaw, and I'm gonna line it up now. You can kind of see where it's at. Hopefully the sun don't block you, but your door frame here, you want to line it up to like a flush with the door frame, or maybe just flush with that door frame, like that. Hopefully you can see that all the way down. So we get down here, I'll pull it in more. There we go. It's all lined up flush with this door frame. And then I'll go ahead and I'll put screws in to fasten it in place. And then that metal will come over the top of it. Okay, we got the other side here done. And I'm gonna line up my garage door seal here with the back of the frame here so it's flush. And then we're going to screw it in place. Don't keep putting that screw in too deep, because it'll all be crushed in there. Not that it matters, you're not going to see it, the metal's going to go over it, but just makes nicer work. And just work your way down, like, what do I got there? 8 to 10 inches. Move your plastic over so it's flush with the frame in here, in behind. And just go all the way down till it's secured in place and there's no gaps. All right, now I put the metal back over, and I'm putting these painted cover screws back in to hold the metal in place. And I just have to put a couple more in. Then I'm going to run caulking bead down here and close it all in. It'll be nice and tight and sealed. Okay, we have our garage door seals all in place. Everything is looking pretty good. I'm going to do the caulking now. So I'm going to be using this advanced silicone, 100% waterproof. It's black in color. It's 10-year mold free, ready in 30 minutes, shrink and crack proof. So yeah, that's what we're using on here, made by General Electric. So what we're going to do is we're going to run a bead all the way down to the bottom. And I don't know how I'm going to do this at first, if I'm going to run the bead all the way down. Okay, that's not good. There we go. Be liberal with it. I'm not a professional at this, but I still do it. Put lots on so you can spread it out. I'm down near the bottom already. There we are, right at the bottom. I'm going to run that bead right around there like that. All right, this is the part I don't like. So I just wet my finger a little bit. I'm just gonna rub my finger right down here like this, all the way down. I realize you can't see me when I did that, but it's a little messy here at the top. I put too much, so I'm just gonna try and even it out there like that. Take a little excess of that caulking off. So yeah, this is all done. It actually looks pretty good. I'm proud of myself. I'm going to close this gap up in here with the caulking as well. And that's it. that's all there was to changing our garage door seals on our garage door. Now I got another door to do, but I want to thank you for watching. If this video helped you out, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We have all kinds of home repairs on this channel that can help you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.